Hello friends, welcome to this new lecture. In this lecture, we are going to see how to code in HTML, and I will teach you how to learn and write your first HTML code from scratch, and you can find how the web page looks like. Okay, so let's get started. Now you can open any of the text editor you have, whether it is Notepad, Notepad++, Sublime Text or Visual Studio Code. So I have the Sublime Text, you can see here. So I'm going to open it now. So it is open. So now I'm going to start writing the code. So I'm starting with, so you can see the code in my last lecture. So now we are writing HTML code, and now we are going to close this HTML code. Okay, so in this, now we have to include the head tag. So we are going to close the head tag. Now in head tag we are going to add title to the page and close title tag. And in the title we are going to name our title like my first HTML page. So after head tag we have go with the body tag, and we are closing the body tag, and in body tag we are going to include one header tag and one paragraph tag. So in this header tag I am going to write my first heading, and in paragraph tag I am going to write my first paragraph. So you can see our code is complete now. We have closed all the tags like HTML, body, paragraph, h1 tag, head tag, title tag, and that's it. Now I am going to save it. So hit save button, and it show where to save. So I am going to save it on the desktop and name it like my first HTML code. And at the suffix I am adding .html, so you can recognize it is a HTML file. So I am hitting save now. So you can see here the file has been saved. So now I am going to open this file to see how does it look like. So I am opening it with the Chrome or Safari. So I am going to use Safari now. So and you can see here it is my first heading and my first paragraph. You can see clearly on the screen, right? So hence congratulations making your first web page, and up to this far. So we are going to learn what we have written and explore what are the takes and all in the next upcoming lectures. So see you in the next lecture. Thank you.